Hey guys, we're Ellis and Johnson.
I'm Patrick.
And I'm Kyle. And we're here to take you around the world with us.
Through our high times,
Our low times,
our sassy times,
our fun times,
and we can't wait to bring you all along.
and show you all of our mistakes that we make along the way.
There's a lot.
We make quite a few. Can we cheers our bottles?
Cheers. Eco bottle cheers. But you'll have no idea that we've got vodka in these. Welcome back to our channel.
Hello everyone new and old.
Hello.
How are we doing, everybody? Hello?
Oh, hello over there.
Hello? Oh my gosh. First time having a tooth camera set up.
Yeah, do you like it? We have...
Some really big news.
This isn't going to be our usual exciting travel vlog because
We are moving to New Zealand. Ah, my God.
massively exciting. We are so
It's-
excited. This is something that's kind of been in the dreams, been in the pipelines for a while now.
Definitely.
And it's actually happening next week.
I know, I can't believe it. So, as many of you know, we've already done a working holiday in Canada where we lived there. We then unfortunately had to go home for the big pandemic, but we didn't let that stop us. We were like, let's just coast this out. We lived in a van for a year or two and it was amazing. We saved up a load of money. As you know, for the last 6 months, we have been traveling around the world really. We've done Europe, we've done the whole of Asia now, and now we are heading down south to Oceania to then go to New Zealand.
We have done a few things already. We've obviously got our visas because we're ready to do this. We have pre-planned some other bits. We have got ourselves jobs and we are excited just to get to New Zealand and start this adventure. So we're going to start a whole new playlist for you guys of working holidays around the world.
So we're going to show you what is a working holiday visa, how do you obtain one, what happens when you obtain one, what you need before you even fly and get to New Zealand, and every single piece of information when you get there, how to get a job, how to get a bank account, how to get a tax code, and blah, blah, blah. All the things that are really important and how to immigrate.
We have obviously done one in Canada, as we said. That doesn't make us professionals. We are still learning on the go and we can't wait to take you with us for everything that we do that's completely wrong and all the things that we surprise ourselves with that we are actually doing correct.
Yeah, so make sure you subscribe to our channel if you want to know where we go, what we do, our next journey, and make sure you have a little look at where we've been before. And we just cannot wait to experience a whole different culture, a whole different way of life that's very, very different, but also similar to our home country of England. And there is just going to be some high times and some low times.
Some funny times and some sassy times. And many mistakes. Very much looking forward to getting ourselves a car so we can give you as many carpool karaoke's as we can.
We also had some very sad news that we unfortunately crashed our drone. May Rachel live in peace.
We did not crash our drone. We, this side of the table, me and my coconut, did not crash the drone.
Me and my tissue box.
Crashy McCrashinston over here.
I did unfortunately crash our drone,
He
Rachel.
murdered Rachel. Not even murdered, you didn't murder her. He put her on a cliff to die.
But it's okay because we have a new drone now called Mando.
Thanks for insurance, you mean?
So we have a new drone and we're excited to see the landscapes of New Zealand. We're excited to explore photography and videography, explore how to travel, all of the itty bitty parts of travel, not just the most beautiful parts now, because we're now moving from an era of exploring the exotic life in Asia, exploring, trying to infuse and trying to encourage people to travel to these beautiful places. Now it is providing backpackers and other people, other travelers, whether you are 18 fresh out of school or whether you are up to 35 years old, who can now obtain the visa in New Zealand. And it's how you actually do it, how you achieve it. There are lots of different sources, but we do feel like after our many years now of traveling experience, we can hone in and give just the only details that you need.
The pure advice, which is very exciting. But can we just all take a moment right now, put our hands together as we pray for Rachel?
Oh my gosh, we're not praying for Rach. Stop.
So please follow along, hit that subscribe button and join us on our journey. We thank you all so much for all the support you have given to us on YouTube, on Instagram and the starts of our TikTok hilarious channel. So Join us, have fun with us, because we want to have you along.
And we will see you every week, anything New Zealand working holiday visa related. Love to you all. Bye bye.